Today we got a video from Arrest Cam, and the title of the video is Protesters Learn Florida Police Won't Tolerate Their Games.
If you like arrest content, be sure to subscribe so to miss out on future videos. Officers responded to a free Palestine protest that was going through downtown Orlando.
Sure. It's Sergeant Clough, as it's right there, and it's 13290.
Mind if I take a picture?
Dude, I'm out in public. You're more than welcome to do whatever you want.
All right, officer. 3, 5, 1, 9, 2. Thank you.
Use your left hand? Cool.
All right.
Mind if I take a picture? Good.
You're allowed to use left hand?
Mind if I take a picture?
Sure. Go ahead, sir. Expectation of privacy.
What the hell?
Have a good day, sir. Be safe.
You guys are weird, man.
Mind if I take a picture?
You can do whatever you want.
He don't even look comfortable doing it. Like, this guy just probably following marching orders or something.
Yep. You're not allowed them to block any traffic or anything. Don't block traffic ourselves, though. What's that? Don't block traffic ourselves, though, either. Make sure we leave this travel lane open. If they're starting to block the sidewalk like this, I'll go warn them. You cannot block the sidewalk with the flag. Do not block the sidewalk with the flag.
OPD, KKK! OPD, KKK! IDF, you're all the same! IDF, you're all the same!
Do not block the sidewalk with the flag.
IDF, you're all the same! You're both on the sidewalk, you idiot!
All right, do not block the sidewalk again or you will go to jail. Do you understand?
Sidewalk, you idiot! OPD, KKK!
You make another person walk into the road, you'll go to jail.
Move too, you idiot!
Oh, that's how the Palestinian people act?
Ma'am, you're more than welcome to do what you want. I just don't want. Ma'am, you could still go. I just didn't want you to go getting up on them and causing a ruckus. That's all. Don't stop her. Again, you're blocking the sidewalk with the flag. Stop or you will go to jail. Okay, you can. That's fine. We'll make an example. Sir, if I see another car have to go around you, you will go to jail. Do you understand? Last warning.
This is Sergeant Keith Clough making the threats here.
That's not a threat, that's a promise.
I can make promises too.
They've all been warned not to block traffic and everything already, so if they do, you can take them.
We have no plan on where they're going?
No, hang it, I don't ask. When they have the redheaded lady there, I never ask because she just tells us. I just don't entertain their stuff.
Okay. Oh, ooh. Oh, hold up, boy. Hold up, boy, you ain't acting right. Audio resume soon. Hold on, I like this beat though. Protesters out of control. I think they losing it. Protesters out of control. I think they losing it. Police came, get them together. They better Google it. Hold on. Wait. Hold up. Protesters out of hold on. Protesters out of control. I think they losing it. Police can't get them together. They better Google it. News with it. Protesters out of control. I think they losing it. Police can't better act right before you Google it. Hold on. News with it. Hit him one time. I think his noodle split. Hold on, boy. Yo.
She ain't even do shit.
She didn't do anything.
I don't know what the Palestine joint is all about, but this is my first time encountering them.
You disgust me. You disgust me and all your f***ing ancestors with this shit. What is the Constitution? What is the crime? Under Constitution, what is the crime? Under Constitution, what is the crime? You can't arrest without a crime. What is the crime?
In between them. Back up! Back up!
Sit your ass down, boy. I thought this was.
Turn around, stop your shit. Turn around, stop your shit.
Put his face in the mud. No, boy.
You're about to get sprayed, do you understand? They're about to get sprayed, do you understand? You're gonna get pepper sprayed in your face. Put your hands behind your back.
Well, the other guys, they're getting arrested for interference. I could tell.
What are you doing? 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 What are you doing?
They getting them together, boy. My boy said.
All right. Do you want to sit up? You can lean back this way. Okay. I could have left you on the ground, so.
You think I can't get my own stuff up? Oh, okay. I ain't want y'all to shoot me, motherfucker.
Our guns are not even out, sir.
I don't give a f*** what your guns are. Okay. Y'all told that same to Trayvon all the motherfuckers.
It's all right, man. God bless you.
Did he say Trayvon? Trayvon was not killed by a cop. That's a bad example, bro.
It's all right, man. God bless you.
Y'all told that same to Trayvon all the motherfuckers.
It's all right, man. God bless you.
I believe in Allah, not God. Don't touch me. I'm not a Christian.
I get his point, but that was a bad example. Trayvon was not killed by a cop.
Can I grab those glasses? Stay there. Can I grab those glasses? Thank you.
Oh, got them together. Hold on. Hold up. Oh, got them together. Oh. Y'all better run, boy, because y'all about to get locked up, too. As soon as they done cuffing him.
Roll over on your side. Sit up. Yeah. Ma'am, please. OPD KKK, say it right.
Can you please tell us what?
No, I'm not telling you shit right now. Back up.
Why?
Because you're arguing. Back up.
I'm not arguing. I want to do this.
Back up. I'm telling you to back up.
Palestine! Let's start bringing them behind and wait. Stand up. Stand up. Use your legs like a big boy and stand up.
Breathing issues.
I'm feeling a little dizzy.
He has breathing issues. He has breathing issues. He has collapsed lungs.
I just had a collapse. Hey, she was just in the hospital. With her, I got him. She was just in the hospital.
Keeps complaining about his glasses.
right, let's take her.
You're hurting. My
No one's
kafia
hurting
is
you.
falling. Yes, I have a heart condition. Can you grab my kafia?
Stand up.
I'm still feeling really.
I don't know. Can you inform me on this whole Palestine thing? Because I don't even understand it. Like, I really don't. I don't even. I know it's a big thing here, but I don't know. Some guys getting killed or something like that, or whatever, or getting bombed maybe or something. But y'all fill me in, because I don't know what this whole thing is about, man. Because all the officers were saying was, yeah, you could protest, but just don't pretty much block the flow of traffic. You know what I'm saying? That's, with the flag being out like this versus like this, where people can still pass, or if people are in the streets with their bikes, cars shouldn't be going over you. You know what I'm saying? Can't be going around. Like, y'all could do y'all thing, but peacefully. You know what I mean? And it seems like they just, because even that incident before the cop pushed the dude, it looked like the girl had to walk in the street because they were blocking the sidewalk. So it's like, come on, like, I don't know, boy. They gotta bring that beat back, man. I gotta come up with something nice, man. I said, wait, what I said? I said, what? I forgot what I said, man. But yo, it was hot. I ain't gonna lie, it was hot.
Do you need medical attention?
Protesters get them together. I think they losing it.
Yeah, we're gonna help. You gotta use your legs though.
Put your feet flat on the ground and stand yourself up. There you go. Push. It's gonna go with your property. Let go.
Walk this way.
Yep, go. Sit flat first. And you can bring your legs in. Bring your legs in.
So this guy right here must be Palestinian or something. And this girl is Palestinian or something?
You're not gonna change the mind of anything. We're trying to get them calmed down.
For what happened?
We're going to get everything settled down here.
I was walking there when I accidentally bumped into one of the cops on my shoulder. I turned over to say excuse me. When I turned my back, one of the guys behind me started to reach out, and the cop that I had bumped into reached over and pushed him down so that he wouldn't touch me. And then all of them started swarming over the cops.
Okay.
If you like this video and want to see more like it, subscribe to Arrest Cam. As always, thanks for watching.
Yeah, that sound like a hot mess, boy. I don't know. Yeah, y'all gotta fill me in on this Palestinian thing, because this just, I don't get it. I don't know, man. But what I said protest is out of control. I think they losing it. Police came to get them together. Don't know who they fooling with. Google it. Wait, Google it. Better act right. I think wait, hold on now. News with it. Hit him one time. I think his noodle split. Oh my God. Hey. Protesters get them together. I think they losing it. Police came to get them together. Don't know who they fooling with. News with it. Google it. Hit him one time. I think his noodles split. All right, anyway, that's enough fun for today. But if any of you guys are with them and stuff like that and feel offended, I'm sorry. But I don't know what's going on with the Palestine. I don't know what's up with that. But maybe y'all could fill me in. I'm sure I'll probably get some hate on this video, but it is what it is, man. Gotta act right. That's it. That's all. It all comes down to acting right. Get it together. I think you losing it. Hit him one time. I think his noodle split. Oh my God. All right, I'm done. Anyway, I think the cops did a good job from handling people with a protest, right? and protecting that lady that was about to get attacked by that Palestinian guy or whatever. But anyways, let me know in the comment section below. Oh, wait. I'm gonna get officers a 5 out of 5, man. They got them together because they was losing it. Anyway, man, let me know in the comment section below how well you think the officers did, and I'm gonna catch you in the next video.